Hello, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here I have a 2011 Series 2 VE Commodore Sv6 sedan 6-speed manual. It's got a 3.6 LLT engine in it. Here's our little compliance plate thingy there. Let's go around the other one around here. Obviously taking a bit of a whack in the front there. Got some black trim in there. 6-speed as I say. There we go, we are a 11 for the 8th. 11. Is that in focus for you? Got a set of, I think, 17, 18-inch wheels on it. These are good tyres. Rear bar, bit of a mark on it. Boot lid, spoiler, some doors. Let's have a quick glance at the motor. I'll start it up for you and get the kilometres. We've just resurrected it there. Airbags have gone off. Usual trim falling off there, which is pretty standard. Fairly tidy. How many Ks we've got? 118,873 kilometres. Start her up, push the clutch in. Next service 105. I bet they forgot to reset it. Welcome. Check engine, yep, and the airbags, yep. Yeah, they're still there. So there it is. One VE Sv6 black sedan wrecking at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. There's a number on the wall there, 0246461733. Give the Parts Plus team a call for any parts you need and they'll be only too glad to help you out. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.